AI enables machine to think without any human intervention. Both deterministic and non-deterministic approaches are used to instruct machines. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and that is actually how we teach or train robots to act or behave intelligently. The fundamental concept is to feed the machine a ton of data, let it discover correlations among the data, and then use those relationships to predict future outcomes based on previously unseen data. There is a part of machine learning called deep learning. It's a method of training machines. It basically filters the data through multiple layers. We often begin with some kind of data, and from that data we hope to get an answer. And a machine learning model is how we accomplish it. Typically, data is entered into the model, and the model has some rules that it needs to follow in order to train data, and then outputs the desired results. So let's use the number 4 as an example. We need to know 12. What we could do is develop a really straightforward model. We start with 4 and multiply it by 3 to get 12. So our model is the function and our rule is multiplication. And then we get our result as 12. There are, of course, several methods to get 12, but this would give us a different model. After that, we may compare various models using the data from our input. It's time to work through the machine learning pipeline. There are 3 phases. These phases being data preparation, model training, and operating. The input is raw data. To prepare it for training, the raw data is typically cleansed and processed in some way. The processed data is then divided into training data and testing data. Our untrained model receives its input from the training data. The accuracy of the model's inference of rules from the training data is then evaluated against the test data. When the model has been trained, it is often sent to production. Real-time predictions can then be made using the trained model. It's important to keep in mind that trained models lose effectiveness over time and typically need to be retrained, entering the training phase once more.